Frédéric Perruche, a CNRS researcher at University of Bordeaux in France. I belong to the Department of Polymer Science in Bordeaux. We started to work on polymer science in Bordeaux 40 years ago. And that's it briefly about the organization. And about the expertise we are bringing to the ACTPAC project, we are really dedicated to polymer science, and more precisely in the ACTPAC project, we will synthesize the polymers. We will make the polymer from waste, I would say. And the main challenge would be to work with mixture. We are not very used to use mixture to do some polymers. So one of the main challenge will be to deal with the mixture of the monomers to make the polymer.
Okay, the core technology is to make some new polyesters from the polyethylene waste. So in terms of technology, we will focus on what we call the bulk polymerization, to make polymerization in the bulk, and also to make some latexes of these new polyesters, making some emulsion of making some particles from these polyesters, stemming from the polyols and polyacid that will be performed by the previous work packages, in fact. This is a very important question indeed, and we have so many plastic wastes that we absolutely need to consider that waste and to make added value of that waste. So ACTPAC will contribute to make some added value new polymers, new polyesters from that polyethylene waste, and probably containing the huge volume of plastic we are consuming today, and the huge volume of waste, the contribution will be quite few percent, but it has to be clear for all of us. But I mean, this is a first step in a good direction, in fact. But probably some complementary approach to valorize the polyethylene waste will have to be considered in addition to the ACTPAC project.
Hello, I'm a first-year PhD student at the University of Bordeaux in LCPO, and I'm working on doing the polyester synthesis by a chemical way. And I was really interested into the ACTPAC project. By the way, it's kind of a loop starting from polyethylene, recycling it with the monomers I will use to do the polyesters, and that's what really excited me about this project, to really fulfill the project, in fact, and be able to communicate with industry to do the scale up of what I do in the lab really hyped me also.